In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up checkout on Gumroad. First, open Gumroad in your browser and sign into your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to the Products section from the left sidebar and click on New Product. Now choose the type of product you want to sell, such as a digital product, course, membership, bundle, or physical item. After selecting the product type, enter the product name, choose your currency, and set the price. Then click Next to continue. Now you can customize your product page by adding the product description, thumbnail, cover image, files, pricing details, and any additional content you want customers to see. If you are selling digital products, upload your downloadable files. If you are selling physical products, add your shipping information. Once everything is ready, click Save Changes and then Publish and continue. Next, go to the Settings section and open Payments. Here you can connect your payout method such as your bank account or PayPal so you can receive payments from customers. After that, open the Checkout section from the left sidebar. Inside the checkout settings, you can customize how your checkout page works. For example, you can add discount codes, enable product recommendations, allow tipping, and create custom checkout fields to collect extra information from customers like phone numbers or special instructions. You can also control whether discounts are allowed during checkout and customize the customer purchase experience. Once you finish setting everything up, click Save Changes. Usually, Gumroad checkout setup only takes a few minutes, and once your product is published with payment settings connected, customers can start purchasing immediately. That's it. Your Gumroad checkout is now fully set up and ready to accept orders.